First you get these leaves. I got these leaves from the market. They are nice and long, about the right width. It'd be nicer if it's around this width. So at the moment we will just do with some of these. So the length is just nice. So you can have a longer stem, but first you got to wash them. Wash them before you make, okay? And then let it dry in the garden or in the kitchen. Once you have this, you just trim off about this length. If it's very short, then you make short roses. If it's very long, then you get to make bigger roses. First you cut, this is about the length. Have this about 4-5 inches. Then from there you just, it's this way, you fold it in, and then after this you just bend it down like a V, and with this you just take a bit from the top and turn it round on the stem that you are holding on the left hand. Then you just turn it round a few times, 2-3 times. Then you start putting your thumb underneath the branch, the leaf, and then you also turn it round, but with the help of all the fingers. The thumb, just turn it round with your fingers, helping you to turn it and making sure it's in shape like a rose. You see, it goes very well. If the leaf is narrow, it's more difficult, but this is a bit wide enough. So you just turn round and make sure it folds. There will be dark green and light green, but it's alright. So it makes a difference in the pandan rose. So you must use all your fingers to help you turn it round, fold it against the folded leaf, and then once it reaches about this length, you kind of crush it a bit, and then put it underneath where the stem and the bud is, and just go a few rounds to tighten it. And then with this, put your thumb where you're going through, go around the thumb, and then as you reach the thumb, you push the tip of the pandan leaf through the gap, and then pull it out gently. And then you hold this and gently push part of the leaf up to tighten the knot. It's like a wreath knot. And then there you have the rose. Okay? You don't have to use staple also. Just use your fingers and be gentle, because sometimes it's very brittle. The leaf is rather brittle, so you have to be a bit careful. So this is just right. And if you want a bigger one, you just fold it more. There you are. Then if you want a bigger leaf, it's here. Cut it to the appropriate length. Make sure it doesn't collapse. Once it's folded this way, then you use that as the bottom of your stem, and it'll be a short stem then for the rose. So you just fold it round again, round about 3 times, and then push it up a bit, and then go round, put your thumb underneath the leaf and go round again. See, it folds. If you want it to be a bit bigger, you kind of push it to touch the sides of the folded leaves, so you get a bigger bud. But you need your fingers to hold on to the segments, or else it will come off. So there you are. Just hold it round and round, and here you go round again. Then put your finger here, go around the thumb, and then when you reach the thumb, the tip is about to reach the thumb, remove the thumb out, and then the gap, you push the tip of the leaf through and pull the tip out from the gap, and slowly push it out. Yeah, see, bottom, and you push it out, holding it gently but firmly, pushing it up, and you get a firm, bigger rose. See? So the bottom is firm. It's not loose. So when you shake it, it's still firm. Okay? There you have it. So you got two. This is the bottom of the flower. And as you move it up, you have the rose. These are the roses that you can make, and you can put them in the hall, in the bathroom, and in the car. You bring fragrance to your house and to your car. Just like that.